How to remove home location from Google Maps. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove the location of your home. First of all, open the application. Now here on the top at the search bar, you'll be able to see this home options. Here on the right hand side, tap on more, and as you can see, your home has been popped up. Again, here you can see this three dot icon. Tap on it and simply tap on remove home. So make sure that you want to remove this place, and as you can see, your home has been completely removed. Now in order to add it again, you can simply tap on home again and select a specific place or choose on the map. So this is how you remove and can simply again add home in Google Maps. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.